Welcome to Enlightened Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlightened Study Point. आज আমি General Science Class 9 Chapter 7 Diversity in Living Organism हे chapter page number 94, 97 থকা question answer লৈছো। ভিডিও ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছো। Number 1, how do poriferian animal differ from coelineant animal? তো কি হ'ব এক নম্বৰ পইণ্টটো, division of labor is not noticed, আৰু ইপিনে division of labor is observed. Second point, the cellular level of the organism exhibit. Second point দি আছে, the tissue level of the organization exhibit. Third number দি আছে, coelom absent, আৰু ইপিনে coelom present. Number 2, how do annelid animal differ from arthropods? The annelida আৰু arthropoda দিয়া আছে। The number 1, the entire body is segmented into ring. ইপিনে segmentation of the body into the head, abdomen and the thorax region. 2 number, skeleton is absent, the presence of exoskeleton. Number 3, hermaphrodites, or if they say presence of different sexes, bisexual present. 3 number, what are the difference between amphibians and reptile? Amphibian reptile difference is a skin is moist and soft, skin is hardened. Here they say in water they breathe through their skin. Or if they say they can exist in water, they come to land to intake oxygen. Next is a respire through lungs or gills. If they say respire through lungs. Next point, capable of jumping, they crawl. Or they say indirect development is noticed, or they say direct development observed. Number 4, what are the difference between animals belonging to apes group and those in the mammalian group? Apes or mammalian, body is covered with feather, body is covered with hair, yet teeth absent, teeth present. They possess a beak absence. Yet they say forelimbs are present and modified to take a flight. Forelimbs are present and used for multiple activities. Bones are hollow, bones are solid. Right? Next question, number 1 they say, what are the advantages of classifying organism? The list below the advantage classification of organism. Number 1, when organisms are classified, their common features can easily be studied. The study of scientific experiment is simplified. The interrelation of human with other entities can be interpreted. Their dependency and interaction can be studied. When entities are crossbreed and modified genetically, it paves the way for commercial applications. Number 2, how would you choose between two characteristics to be used for developing a hierarchy in classification? Characteristics is a particular form or function. Many interrelated characteristics are used to classify all living organisms. Gross characters form the basis of the beginning of a hierarchy, while fine characteristics form the basis of further steps of the hierarchy. Number 3, explain the basis for grouping organism into 5 kingdoms. The following is the number of cells present form the first criterion. Next is the arrangement and the number of layers present. Another important factor for classification is the existence of the cell wall. Next is a classification of complex organism is also based on the mode of intake of nutrition. Last, to classify we consider the organization level 2. Number 4, what are the major divisions in the plenty? What is the basis of this division? Division or classification. Number 1 is Hylophyte or algae. If in say like body. Bryophyte, the body is divided into leaf and stem. Pteridophyte, the body is separated into root stamen leaf. Gymnosperm, seed bearing naked seed. Angiosperm, seed bearing cover seed. Number 5. How are the criteria for deciding divisions in plant different from the criteria for deciding the subgroups among animal? One of the major specifications to classify plant into Xerophyte and Bryophytes is a basic cell structure. Gymnosperm and Angiosperm are classified on the basis of the visibility of seed. Hence, morphological characteristics play a key role in plant classification. In animal classification, cytology is considered primarily as more minute structural variation are taken into account. The cell layer cytology and morphology are significant features to be considered in the classification of animal. The presence and absence of various which are decided the classification of higher hierarchies. Number 6. Explain how animal is vertebrate are classified into further subgroup. Vertebrate has two subclass, namely species tetrapod, wherein organisms belong to the species subclass have streamlined bodies with tail and fins, which help them in their movement, whereas the have four limbs for their movement. Furthermore, the tetrapod animals are classified as amphibians. The animals belonging to this group are adaptive in nature. They dwell both on the as well as in water. They show the presence of specialized organs which allow them to breathe underwater. Reptile. The animal belonging to this class crawl. Their skin is very thick and withstand extreme temperature. Apes. The forelimbs of these organisms are modified which help them in their flight. They lack teeth and instead have a beak and feather that cover up their body. Mammalia. The animal belonging to this group show nurturing skill as their contain mammary gland to support them. Their skin is covered with hair and most of them are viviparous in nature. তা আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যনছ আছিলে। নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত অন্য এটা চেপ্টাৰ আনিম। ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই থাকিব। ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।